Welcome back to another exciting episode of Ride Ready Reviews, your go-to destination for in-depth car insights, latest releases, and everything that moves on four wheels. If you're passionate about cars that blend style, performance, and family-friendly practicality, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the brand new 2026 Holden Acadia, a bold SUV that's turning heads across Australia and beyond. Holden may have wrapped up local manufacturing, but the badge still holds a strong emotional connection with Aussie drivers. The 2026 Holden Acadia is here to prove that the brand continues to evolve with the times while staying true to its roots. So what does the newest Acadia bring to the table? Let's find out. At first glance, the 2026 Acadia has received a sleek design refresh. The front fascia is more aggressive, featuring a redesigned grille with a honeycomb mesh pattern, flanked by slim LED headlights that give it a sharp, modern look. The bumper has been slightly restyled too, providing a more athletic stance, while new alloy wheel designs and bold color options add a touch of customization. It's clear that Holden wants this SUV to stand out on urban roads and rural tracks alike. Under the hood, the 2026 Acadia continues with the reliable 3.6-liter V6 engine, pushing out a solid 310 horsepower and 367 Nm of torque. It's mated to a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission that delivers power efficiently to either the front wheels or an available all-wheel drive system. This engine combination provides enough punch for overtaking on highways, while maintaining a comfortable drive for city commutes and long road trips. Inside the cabin, Holden has stepped up its game in terms of both technology and comfort. The new Acadia features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, paired with a 10.2-inch infotainment screen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The user interface is responsive, and the layout is intuitive, making it easy to control navigation, music, and connectivity features without distraction. What's more, the interior quality has improved significantly. Soft touch materials now cover the dashboard and door trims, and premium leather seats are available on higher trims. The cabin is spacious, offering 3 rows of seating that can comfortably fit up to 7 passengers. Second-row captain's chairs are available for those who prioritize individual comfort, and the rear cargo space is generous, especially with the third row folded down. When it comes to safety, the 2026 Acadia doesn't disappoint. Holden has packed this SUV with an upgraded suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. There's even a new 360-degree camera system that makes parking and tight maneuvers much easier. In terms of driving dynamics, the Acadia offers a composed and smooth ride. The suspension has been retuned for better comfort and stability, and sound insulation has been improved, giving the cabin a quieter, more refined experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling gravel roads on a weekend getaway, the Acadia handles it all with confidence. Fuel economy has also seen a minor boost thanks to engine optimizations and lightweight materials. The front-wheel drive variant averages about 9.2 liters per 100 kilometers, while the all-wheel drive version hovers around 10.1 L 100 kilometers, respectable figures for a vehicle of this size and capability. So, is the 2026 Holden Acadia worth considering? Absolutely. It combines family-oriented practicality with bold styling, solid performance, and a tech-loaded interior. Whether you're a longtime Holden fan or simply looking for a reliable midsize SUV, the Acadia delivers in all the right areas. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a ride. This is Ride Ready Reviews, where your journey begins. See you on the next drive.